It looks like this AC is about due to be cleaned, or well past due. It's been a little while. Right at the beginning of June, I think today is the 2nd. So we can do this, I think the way most people do it, they set the ladder and get up there and clean it. Or we can do this the most ridiculous way possible. Which way would you like to do it? I know my vote. Unit and the indoor unit. And she's running. Thanks again so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Amazon links in the description below. Those are affiliate links.